Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I actually had planned to have a sit down chat with you through 15 of my go-to summer vegetarian meals, what I'm going to be enjoying this summer. But if you can maybe hear, I've got a bit of a cold, my face is a bit of a wreck, I am not going to be sitting down today. So I've made these little fruit bowls for the whole family, yep, all four of us, and I thought I'd chat you through them and just let you know that I'll leave a link down below to a blog post where instead I've written down and talked you through the 15 meals I plan on enjoying this summer. And I thought it was appropriate having this little summery snack, mostly of winter fruit. We've got kiwi, we've got plum, that's a bit summery, isn't it? We've got orange, we've got grapes, and I've just laid it all out so the whole family can have loads of vitamins and minerals and goodies to try. And we've had the cold going around the family, and so I thought a nice bowl of fruit would be a good way to start and try and get into the spirit of summer, so that during summer I plan to make loads of veggie and fruit bowls like this, and smoothies and salads and all kinds of things. Let me know if you would like any specific summer recipes for me to share with you and to get working on. But otherwise, this is the short and sweet video for today. Thanks for watching, and I apologize it's not a big long sit down, but yep, you can click down below for the link to the blog post with 15 easy summer recipes that are all vegetarian friendly. And through the weekend I also shared some videos as well. I'll leave the links to those in the information cards and down below. I shared a big parfait, a berry parfait, breakfast berry parfait, and an indulgent chocolate cake, which is low carb, keto friendly, gluten free, flourless, all of that. So you can check out the links down below to all of that inspiration, and we'll see you again next week with 3 new videos, and I'm sure we'll all be on the mend. I'm sure all of these fruit will help heaps. And yep, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.